Welcome back. Quick one today. Finished building this last external wall. So this guy right here, all done. So that's the smaller external wall in the master bedroom. So if we step over here, give you a panoramic. So there's the window. Missing a couple of the cripple studs up top there. So now we're looking into the guest room where these two old studs are sitting. Is roughly where there will be a closet for the master bedroom, and there's that little nook over there in the guest. Yeah, very exciting. There's still a couple odds and ends here. Need to put in some drywall backing here and put in the insulation now that there's something to catch it. There's a little bit of drywall backing in that corner to do and in the rafter bay. But yeah, looking real great.